Hi students, today I continue the lesson polymer chemistry. Today we discuss fibers. Already we wear clothes, use bags, rope, blankets, etc. in our daily life. They are made up of fibers. Once upon a time, people used natural fibers such as cotton, wool. Nowadays we use a lot of synthetic fibers. So all natural and synthetic fibers are what? Polymers. So observe the difference between natural and synthetic fibers. See, natural coconut rope versus nylon fishing rope. Understand? So what is natural and synthetic fibers? Fibers are long strands of polymers interwoven to form linear string-like structures. Fibers that are obtained from plant or animal sources are called natural fibers. Example, cotton, coconut fiber, hair, wool and silk. Fibers that are made using raw materials from petroleum are synthetic fibers. Example include polyester, acrylic and nylon. These are all synthetic fibers. See, natural wool, silk, plants, minerals. Okay, these are all natural fibers. Understand? Okay. So the main sources of natural fibers are animals. Example wool and silk. Understand? So the discovery of making synthetic fibers out of petrochemical has replaced the use of many natural fibers. Their types and uses. Natural fiber, silk. Natural silk fiber are obtained from boiling the cocoons of silkworm from specific species of moths. There are 4 types of natural silk: mulberry silk, tassar silk, muga silk and eri silk. These are the 4 types of natural silk: mulberry, tassar, muga and eri. The most of the mulberry silk worldwide produced in India. Silk is one of the strongest natural fiber, has many uses such as clothing, carpets and parachutes. So this is what? Silk. Rayon, a semi-synthetic fiber. In the 19th century, scientists were successful in producing the first artificial silk known as rayon. The first rayon factory in India established in Kerala in 1946. Rayon is a man-made fiber, but it is not considered fully synthetic as it is made out the natural cellulose collected from wood pulp. Okay, so this is about rayon. Understand? Next, nylon. So nylon is the first fully processed synthetic fiber. It was popular during the Second World War for the use of parachutes and rope materials for climbing. Nowadays, nylon has replaced natural silk in many textiles and it becomes one of the most commonly and synthetic fibers. Nylon fiber is strong, elastic and light. It is lustrous and easy to wash. Okay, understand? So polyester and acrylic, synthetic fibers. Polyester is another synthetic fiber. It can be drawn into very fine fibers that can be woven like any other hand. Polyester is sold in the name of polycot, polywool, terrycot, etc. Polycot is a mixture of polyester and cotton. Polycot. Polywool mixture of polyester and wool. PET. Polyethylene terephthalate. It's very familiar from polyester. It's mixed. It is used in making water and soda bottles, utensils, films and wires, among many other useful products. Okay. So we wear sweaters and use shawls, blankets in winter. Many use this made up of natural wool, although they appear to resemble wool. So these are prepared from another type of synthetic fiber is called acrylic. The wool obtained from the natural sources is quite expensive, whereas cloth made of acrylic can relatively cheap because of the byproduct of the production of plastics. So they are available in a variety of colors. Synthetic fibers are more durable and affordable, which has contributed to widespread use. So characteristics of synthetic fibers. Next, advantages of synthetic fibers. Do you ever think about why some of your clothes does not need ironing and looks bright and colorful in many years? This is because they are made up of synthetic fibers such as polyester. The advantages are they do not wrinkle easily and they keep their color and brightness for much longer time than the natural fibers such as cotton. So a lot of materials such as fishing nets are made from synthetic fibers. One of the main advantages of using synthetic fibers such as nylon is that they are stronger than the many natural fibers such as silk or wool. So for example, trampoline is made of woven synthetic fibers. Understand? So drawbacks of synthetic fibers. We already learned that it is safer to use cotton clothing instead of synthetic clothing when person is cooking and working in a laboratory. This is because one disadvantages of synthetic fibers such as polyester, that they are not heat resistant and catch fire easily. So this is the one of the disadvantages. In summer, it is better to wear clothing that is made out of cotton material rather than the synthetic, because the most synthetic fibers observe very little moisture and do not allow air circulation, making them hot and uncomfortable to wear. Okay, understand? The next we discuss about plastics. Okay, read carefully, understand the terms.